Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. We are filming for the week of December 16th to the 22nd, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's already the 21st and I'm filming this. I know I'm very, very late, but it's okay because we memory plan, back plan, however you want to call it anyway. And again, this is more decorative and fun for me, so we're still gonna have a good time today. So I am using a sticker collection from Perky's Papery. You guys know I absolutely love her stickers, love the collections that she puts out. And I do have a code for 20% off your purchase if you're interested. This is the Cozy Holidays kit. I have page A from the Hobonichi Cousin kit. She offers multiple pages, a la carte, so it's perfect to just buy what you will use. And I'm trying to get better at that. I used to buy like, I don't know, 5 to 8 sheets per collection because she offers so many and I love them all. But I'm gonna try to see if I can work with just these 3 pages. Again, trying to cut back on like how many things I buy. A functional page here, and then we have 2 deco pages because you guys know I love deco. I have this like pine cone deco, which is like the floral type page, which I love these pine cones. And then the more just like decorative page as well from the journaling kit. So definitely check her stuff out. Again, if you like a particular kit, in her search bar on her Etsy shop, just type in kit 145. All of the items for this particular Cozy Holidays collection will pop up and you can see which pages you want to buy. Okay, let's just jump into it. It's been a crazy week. And when I say crazy, it's just, you know, the holidays, lots of parties, lots of things to buy, gifts and all of that. And it can get kind of crazy, but that's okay. I absolutely love the holidays, love this time of year. And yeah, let's just jump into it. I am going to put down the date covers and the numbers. Let's get into maybe the sidebar, since I typically like to start there. Definitely want a piece of fun deco or floral. So I'm thinking something cozy like this. It's the week before Christmas, or we can just do a piece of deco. That would be pretty too. Okay, let's white out this calendar because we never use this. All right, I think I like that. I used a pine cone deco, and then the script is from OK Plans, the monthly script. I really like her monthly scripts. This is another shop I use all the time. You guys know that. All right, so let's do a this week sticker. And how do we want to mark that? We could just use some of this. I mean, that's a pine cone though. You know what? Let's just use this because we have it, and I know it's pine cones as well, but I kind of want to use it as a divider here. So we'll take that, and then we're just going to use our ruler as a little divider. And then I'm gonna put our this week script down. I have these from the Prairie Planner, or are those the only this week? Oh, or these. Let's use these from Little Bloom Papery. We'll put this week down, and then the functional page also has some dots. So I'm going to put this down. This is the section where we mark the orders that we're waiting on and that are coming in for the week. Then let's put some deco down here because we always have a little bit of deco at the bottom. And I'm thinking the chair is so cozy. So I think I want to do this chair. Or should we do the chair down here? Make a little scene of it. All right, maybe we'll do a little cozy scene in this corner. And in this corner, we can use the girl. We'll put the girl here. And then what else? Let's do the weekend banner. We can definitely do that. I'm thinking we can use maybe this washi here and make a little weekend banner moment just using a part of this. And we'll take our ruler like that. That line is a little bit rough, but that's okay. Put that back down. And then our weekend, Hello Weekend, comes with the kit, which again, I love these. These are so fun. So we'll put that right there. How perfect. And then we can definitely add in some pine cones and things like that, which I think will be fun. What do we think? I think that looks good. Okay. So maybe we just get into the week, right? Is that what we should do? My weeks have been very kind of mundane because work has just taken over my life as I still adjust to my work schedule. All right, so we have our scripts. I only have a few left, so I'm so proud of using a whole sheet of scripts. How should we mark work? We have, I guess, the dots. We can alternate the dots and the flags. I think we've done that before. So let's put that in. I only have one left. How exciting. So I'm actually just going to put this last script in my reusable sticker book here in the work section because I can finally get rid of this sheet. So I'm going to take this, put this here in my reusable sticker book, and I can toss this, which is so exciting. I have some of these arrows here I can use for my marking my work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's just use all 5 of these again, just because we have them. These are from the thecoffeemonsterzco sticker kits, but this was her old format. I don't think she puts all of these arrows in anymore. I really like these arrows. And just a little update for you guys. I am absolutely loving my job. Absolutely love it. So thankful, so grateful to be at this company and just do what I do because I'm good at it. I enjoy it. It's fun for me. So super happy where I'm at. So let's continue. I was going to mark walking the dogs like in the morning, but I feel like we don't need to add more up there technically. So I'm going to keep this to the side. I might come back to it, but who knows? All right, the next thing, let's go in to mark some things in the evening. Now, after work on Monday, I did plan. I filmed my planner lineup video Monday night, and I want to mark it. So let's see, we can use maybe a little YouTube sticker. We can use a red one because, yeah, it matches the spread, but I did film and upload that same, film, edit, and upload. I did all of it the same night. So let's go in and let's use the tan box, I think. My boyfriend and I did end up going out to eat, and I think I got wings this night. So let's see what we have. Oh, we actually have a wings sticker. Should we do that? Again, these are always so bright, and I never know if I want to just stick with the colorway that I'm using or just go all out. You know what I mean? Let's just use the fork and knife and keep the colorway going. Put that down here for dinner. Tuesday night, my boyfriend actually had a work dinner, so I'm going to mark that maybe with a heart because, you know, my boyfriend's going to these work dinners. I'm going to actually use this little bear. I know it sounds funny. I call my boyfriend, his name is Rob, but I call him Robbie Bear. So I think I want to mark this. I'll put it over here. Should I put it here or here? Maybe I'll put it on the side. I'm going to mark that he had a work dinner. So I ended up eating leftovers. So should we just mark it the same way? But but I'm going to use this takeout bag. It was leftovers from takeout from earlier or the other night, so I'm just going to use the takeout bag. And then let's see, Wednesday night, what did I do? Oh, this was the day I had to run errands after work. So after work, I am going to, I guess I'll put it in a box because we haven't been using boxes. So let's do maybe this red one. And I'm going to put this up here. And this is for just running around. I had to go to the post office. I had to stop at a bunch of different places. So I'm going to put run errands. Like I had to get gift cards at like Starbucks. So I had to go to Starbucks, Old Navy, Ulta, like all these places to pick up gift cards for gifts and things at work. And I am going to mark that I went to the post office though, because it's just something fun to mark. And I had to drop something off. So let's see. We have a script PO drop. And then let's use this red envelope since. Then that night, my boyfriend picked up Thai food. And oh, I absolutely love Thai food. So let's definitely put that in a box. Let's do this green one. Put that right there. We just might do another takeout bag. We'll do this one. And it kind of matches perfectly. So that's for Thai food. Moving on to Thursday. Thursday after work, I think I just had leftovers. We watched TV. It was pretty low key. We were actually supposed to go to a Flyers game, but I'm still so tired and exhausted, you guys, from this new work schedule. And I don't know how long it's going to take my body to adjust. People have been telling me it's going to take months, but we'll see. So we did have a major lazy day, which I wonder if I have like a lazy day. I used to have lazy day scripts. Wake up early, me time. No, lazy day. We watched a bunch of TV. So you know what? You guys know my go-to TV lounging sticker is from Whimsy. I love these Whimsy stickers. These couples are so cute. So I'm just going to use this again for our lazy night. And I think this night we just did leftovers. Oh, my boyfriend got pizza and a sandwich though. So let's put this here. And then it's so crazy that I don't have a pizza sticker. I do not have any pizza stickers. It is crazy. But I pulled these little sandwiches. My boyfriend did get a sandwich. So he got like a sandwich and pizza. I ate leftovers. But let's just put this in and mark his food. Do I need a box? And then Friday, what do we do Friday? I think honestly, I took a nap. So we did a little nap time. And then we actually had a holiday party. Oh, I love holiday parties. So I am going to use, I think, the red box here just to mark the holiday party. And we were there for quite some time. Let's see, Saturday is today. We had a really slow start to the day and I cuddled my cat. So I do want to mark my kitty cat. Love these are from Bunny Bear Plans and they're just so cute. I have a gray cat, so these are perfect. And I am going to use a box. I picked up Dunkin' Donuts for my boyfriend and I. I'm going to use this little holiday Christmas cup. It matches this kit perfectly. I think these were on like freebies or something. So I'm going to put that in for Dunkin' Donuts. And then we did walk the dogs later in the day. So I think I actually want to go in and mark walking the dogs. Probably at nighttime because we have so much space at the bottom now that I'm not doing a to-do list. it took a little bit of time, but I think I like how it looks. It just fills it up a little bit more. But yeah, let's get back into it. So back to Saturday, which is today. So we walked the dogs and then we ended up running a bunch of errands. So I am going to get my errands script again with a box. And we went all over. We went to a few consignment shops. We also went to like Costco. We went to PetSmart. Lots of places. So I'm going to use this green box, and then whilst Costco, I'm like, should I use the dots and like write down where we went? I feel like I could. We went thrifting as well, so maybe I'll just put some dots in. I do want to mark that right now we are planning, and again, it's not ideal that I'm planning this particular week on Saturday, but you know, life happens. The holidays are a crazy time of year, so I'm sure you guys won't really care because you guys see this video on Sundays anyway. But let's just take this and maybe this planning time script here. So we'll do that, and let's put it in a box because we can. Sunday, I'm not sure exactly what we're doing. I might have lunch with my family, but my niece has been sick, so I don't want to put that in. So I'm honestly going to leave Sunday open, but now that we're here, we can finally go back in and put some deco. You guys know I love this part. I'm going to put some deco in. That is the spread. I'm going to go in, fill everything out, and I'll be right back. Right, really quick, just to show you guys what I have left over. I think I found my sweet spot with the pages that I get from Perky's Papery. So this is the functional page. So we still have some boxes left over. I definitely could have used these boxes over here, but you know what, that's okay. And then we have this left over for the deco. So truly, like, I think these 3 pages are just it. All right, you guys, really quick, I just really wanted to use up more of these boxes. So I did go in and add some boxes here just because we had so many left over. So that is the final spread. I really like how it looks. Again, check out Perky's Papery if you like these stickers. She has so many collections. So you're definitely going to find something that you like. Use my code for 20% off. But I'm so excited for Christmas. I love how this turned out. A sneak peek for you guys. This is the kit I'm using for the week of Christmas. It's Coffee Monsters Co. And you guys love these particular videos, so I'm so excited to do that spread with you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.